Okay, welcome back. So let's add a kill counter so we know how many enemies we defeated. So how do we do this? So I'll give you 10 seconds to think about. Okay, maybe less. Anyway, so if you think about a counter, we need to basically we need something like a placeholder to hold the value of the number of kills we made, and every time we killed an enemy, we'll add 1 point to it. So we need a variable, right? Okay, so let's go to add a new global variable. We'll call this how about a score? It'll be a number. You know, a number is good, and the initial value is 0. Okay, and then we need to keep track of the score, right? Like we need to add 1 to it whenever we make a kill. How do we do that? So this is the kill function, right? When the sword is touched, well, when the enemy is touched by a sword, it will destroy the enemy. So this is our kill function. Why don't we add a point whenever we defeat an enemy? Okay, good. Now that we have the score, we need a way to display the score. So we can do that easily by adding a, let's say we add a text here, okay, and we'll put here. Let's make this a little bit bigger, like maybe 24. Okay, we'll just call this our score. Okay, and then we need to update that. So how about we update it whenever we defeat the enemy? So we set score text. Yeah, we set the text. So remember, if we put stuff inside quotes, that's a string. But if we want to put it, if we just want a number, we can just type the variable directly. So we call this score, right? Remember, the lowercase one is the actual score. This one is the text. Okay. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright, well, first we encounter a problem. The score's not here. Why is that? Well, let's take a look. Ah. Okay, let's see. Where I put it in the top left corner, so what happened to it? Oh, here. Okay, so it appears that we put the score on the wrong layer. Ah, okay, well, let's move back. We don't want it to be in the game layer, we want it to be in the GUI layer. Okay, so now it's on the GUI layer, we can display that, it's here. So initially, well, we need to unlock it to edit it. So let's say 0 point is when we start off with 0 point. Okay, and then let's give that a try. Alright, cool. So we have the score here. Let's grab a sword and then go attack. Okay, well, let's see if I can actually get my attack to work properly. Okay, there we go. We got 1 point. Anyway, it works. Okay, so that's all that matters. So now that our score is here, that's pretty easy. Let's decorate this. Why don't we make this white so it's a little bit easier to see? Maybe we also want to put like a little marker here on the GUI layer to say that this is the kill count. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use a sprite for this. I mean, it'll be the easiest if we just used a idle animation of the skeleton to indicate that's how many kills we made. How about this one? I will loop this. Alright, so that will indicate how many kills we made. And let's just make this a little bigger, 36. Oh, actually, why don't we... Anyway, you can play around with that. They work either way. Alright, so we have 0 kills so far. Pick up the sword. I think I need to time this correctly. It seems like ah! Okay. I have a sword. Attack. Alright, I got 1 point. Attack. 2 points. Okay, I'm good. Alright, so we got 3 kills here. Okay, so that's a very basic way of making a score counter. We can also put like little items here for the character to pick up. So why don't we work on that next? I'll see you on the next video.